Pastor Canayo again. Today is Thursday, the 12th, and we're coming up with another video right now. It's about midnight right now. Man, I gotta go to bed pretty soon. But anyway, I wanna just keep practicing more for loops. This might help somebody else. Like the more you practice for loops, like the better you're going to be. So there's three different examples that I wanna go over. The first one is it says you gotta write down 10 times your name using a for loop. Okay, how do we do this? Just kind of simple, you know. Let's have an int, let's have a count, and then the for loop. We're going to buy count. We're going to initiate this with 1, and then we're going to keep track. Less equals to 10, and we're going to update this by incrementing it. Count plus plus, and then we do a cout, and then you just kind of write down your name, and then let's run the program. Oh yes, this is my problem right here. Cout. It should print 10 times my name, or any name you put on there. Nice. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. It did it. It did it. Nice. Okay, cool. Next example. It is write a for loop that displays all of the odd numbers from 1 through 49. Okay. I'm going to have let's just count again. So a for loop. We're going to have count equals to 1. We're going to use again count less or equals to 50, and we're going to increment again plus plus. Then right here we're going to use an if statement. So if count, why do I have to type this? Modulus to no equals to 0. So in that way it can give us all the odd numbers, right? Cout count. So let's see what we got. Should give us all the odd numbers right here from 1 all the way to 49. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all the odd numbers. And we got 49, last number. Good job, good job. Good program. So now we got one last one. So it says write a for loop that repeats 7 times, asking the user to enter a number each time and summing the numbers enter. Okay. So let's have an int. Let's do a total right here. It's going to be equals to 0. And then we have the for loop. Let's use a count. No, I didn't declare that in. Count equals to 0. Then we have count less. How many times it says? Repeat 7 times. Less than 7. And we're going to increment that again. Plus plus by 1. And then right here what we can do is Let's declare some variables right here. We got end, we got num equals to 0, and then we have count. No, we got cout. I mean, what do we get? So enter a number. Enter a number. And then we have a sin, because we gotta store the number. Num, and then we have the total, because it's going to be adding every time it goes in the loop, equals to num. Okay, and now we have a cout. The sum is total, and then we end it. Okay. Oh crap! I hate when that happens. Okay. So we're supposed to enter, the user is supposed to enter 7 times a number, and then it's supposed to add it at the end when it hits the 7, because it's going to start in 0, right? It's going to go all the way to 7. It's got to be less than 7, and every time it runs, it will just kind of count all the way to 7. When it gets to the last number, as long as it's true, it will keep doing it. When it gets to 7, it's not true anymore. It will stop and will add the whole entire number right there. Let's run the program. Okay, let's do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The sum is 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cool. The program worked. Good job. Good job. Well, that was all the video for tonight. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully it can help you a little bit. But have a nice